Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn off snapping in CapCut. To begin, open the CapCut app on your device and make sure you're inside a project where the timeline is visible. This is important because the setting you're looking for appears in the editing workspace, not on the home screen. Once your project is open, take a moment to look over the timeline area so you can get oriented. Next, direct your attention to the top right section of the timeline. In that area, you should see the control for auto snapping. This feature is designed to help clips automatically align with nearby edits, cuts, or other elements on the timeline. That can be useful in many situations, especially when you want clips to connect neatly without gaps. However, if you want more precise manual control while editing, turning snapping off can make it easier to move clips freely. Carefully look for the auto snapping option in that top right area of the timeline. Depending on your version of CapCut, the icon or label may be small, so it helps to pause for a second and identify the correct control before tapping anything else. If your screen feels crowded, just focus on the timeline tools rather than the preview window or side panels. Once you've found the auto snapping control, click or tap on it to turn it off. After selecting it, snapping will be disabled, which means clips will no longer automatically lock into nearby positions as you drag them along the timeline. This can be especially helpful when you're making fine adjustments and want to place clips exactly where you choose. After turning it off, try moving a clip slightly on the timeline to confirm the change. You should notice that the clip moves more freely without snapping into place. If it still seems to align automatically, double check that the control has actually been switched off. That's all there is to it. Opening CapCut, locating the auto snapping control in the top right of the timeline, and tapping it off is the full process. If you need that alignment assistance again later, you can always return to the same spot and switch it back on. This gives you flexibility depending on the type of edit you're working on and how much control you want while arranging your clips.